How do you currently assess the impact of your existing speech laboratory on student engagement and language proficiency?
While traditional speech labs have served well in the past, they now present several challenges that hinder effective language learning.
Inefficient equipment and poor audio quality.
Compatibility problems with modern educational tools.
Frequent repairs.
Lack of interactive features.
Inability to support latest educational trends.
Upgrade to modern solutions.
Get the Phonetic Speech Laboratory.
Produce fluent English speakers. Use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory.
Bottomline had been installing speech laboratories since 1998. It has completed more than 100 installations in the Philippines and 5 installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Bottomline is expanding towards South and West Africa, the Middle East, and the countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN.
Alternatively, teachers may use pronunciation exercises like minimal tears, tongue twisters, and word exaggeration.
Curves. Marble. Pedagogical pronunciation lessons with modeling tools are preloaded and made available for you.
Teachers are amazed as they observe the following. 1. More students are beginning to become perceptive. 2. 50% of their students became fluent in just 3 weeks. 3. They put credit on the video pronunciation lessons that are preloaded in the Phonetic Speech Laboratory. Bottomline fabricates student cubicles for you on site.
Get the modern speech laboratory with cubicles that are ergonomically designed.
Bottomline surely completes installing your speech laboratory in 60 days. The best part is, you are covered by a 3-year warranty no matter what country you are situated.
Bottomline is proud to present its installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Beta Mtwara. Beta Limbi. Beta Mikumi.
Arusha Technical College.
Mwanza Regional Training College.
Presenting to you our recent list of happy and satisfied clients.
Our clients in the Philippines are mostly from private schools, while there are a few from public schools.
Included in the list are the 5 colleges in Tanzania, East Africa.
Visit us online by typing in your browser, Bottomline Interactive Multimedia Speech Laboratory and Educational Technology, or call us at +6308222155513, or call us at +63926 697 2659.
Call now.